Have you ever felt the excitement of being in the middle of bustling market, the adrenaline rush as stocks soar to new heights, breaking all-time records? But what if I tell you that not all bull runs are as genuine as they seem? Welcome traders to the tale of highs and lows of peaks that may not be as real as they appear. Today in this video, we will unreveal the mystery behind the fake bull run. Nifty 50 index surged 2.30% last week and closed at 21,456 levels after climbing to a new high of 21,492. BSE Sensex logged weekly gains of 2.18% and ended at 71,483 levels after hitting a new high of 71,605 on Friday. Nifty Bank registered 1.85% weekly gain and finished at 48,143 levels after climbing to a new peak of 48,219 on last session of previous week. We can clearly see that markets are on unprecedented high and the excitement is contagious. But is this jubilant truly justified? This is the optimism led by the majestic bull. But what if behind this glittering facade there's more to the story than meets the eye, right? The media is bustling, proclaiming the bull run as the greatest of all time. But is it a genuine upward surge or a carefully crafted illusion? Let me share a secret with you. Sometimes these remarkable highs are not backed by solid fundamental. It is a dance of numbers, a symphony of speculation that can leave you dizzy. The danger lies in the possibility that what goes up may not necessarily stay up. As quickly as the market soars, it can come crashing down, leaving traders in disarray. So, my fellow traders, before you get caught up in this whirlwind of euphoria, take a moment to analyze the foundation beneath the soaring numbers, right? So what we are going to do is that we have seen many lifetime highs. In fact, from 2020 or 2021 we have been seeing lifetime high, whether it is Nifty, Banknifty, or for that matter Sensex. Now we will see three indicators, which are RSI, stochastics and Bollinger Band, and we will see how these numbers are looking. All three indicators or oscillators or momentum indicator is showing oversold region, and every time these indicators or these oscillators or this momentum indicator hits a lifetime high or overbought region, market has corrected 11%, and I am going to show you in this video historically what has happened, right? So let me go to the charts first and you can understand what has happened so that you will get a clear idea of what I am trying to say. This is the first lifetime high, which was on 18th of October 2021, which was a Monday, right? So market hit a lifetime high of around 18,475, right? This is 18,500 levels. From there it corrected to around 16,402. That was a 11% correction from lifetime high. Now the second lifetime high happened on 2nd of December 2022. Market was hitting, Nifty was hitting 18,702. From there it hit a low of around 16,910, which was also 11% downward movement or 11% correction. Now the third thing happened on 20th of July 2023, and lifetime high was around 20,000. From there market hit a low of around 19,200. We can say that is a lowest, and which was at around 4%. Now we are sitting at lifetime high, and you can see whether it is the Bollinger Band or whether it is the RSI or whether it is a stochastic indicator. All three indicators are showing overbought, and we can correct till around 20,200. Now you don't think I am a bearish guy or I am a kind of negative guy. I am nothing as such. Even though I talk negative, or even though I talk market will come down, we have made sure we have made good enough money, right? Even in this year, as I talk to you, we have achieved a 35% ROI in our trading, right, which we will show in the end of the video, or we have put a verified PNL. In fact, we have a dedicated playlist for PNLs. You can go and watch those videos if you want, or I will leave the link somewhere on the higher side, right? So what I mean to say now, you can clearly understand that RSI is at overbought region, stochastic indicator is at overbought region, Bollinger Band, you can see it is hitting the upper band. So the possibility of the market coming down is very high. Now you may ask, you are saying this for the last 10 or 12 trading session. Of course, there is no denial. This is a very obvious question that I have been saying that the market will come down, but for one or other reason market is going on the higher side, and the main reason why the market is going on the higher side is because of US Federal Reserve. Jerome Powell came out and he indicated that 2024 there is going to be an interest rate cut, and this euphoria had created a bull run in the mother market, which is of no use to us. You have to understand, that is of no use to us whether Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve Chairman, is going to increase the interest rate or decrease the interest rate. Does it mean anything to us? You tell me. That is of no use to us. But still, since it is a mother market, we are following the mother market, which is the US market, and market is going on the higher side, and that is the main reason, that is the main euphoria. We are hitting all-time high, but I expect some correction to this market, which is going to be around 20,400 levels, right? In terms of Nifty, I am talking in terms of Nifty, it might be around somewhere around let us say it might be around 20,000 level. I'm not going to say it is going to crash. There is going to be a correction, and it is going to be around 20,000 levels. That is in terms of Nifty. And in terms of Banknifty, let me go to the Banknifty chart, and if you see the Banknifty chart, we may correct if at all there is any correction. And even in Banknifty, all three indices, whether Bollinger Band, RSI or stochastics indicator, showing a overbought region, so we may correct towards 45,500 or 45,800 levels. And in terms of Sensex, we may correct to a levels of around 67,000 or maybe even 68,000 level, right? So I'm repeating it again, I am not a negative guy, or I am not saying that the market is going to crash. If there is going to be a correction, it is going to be a good correction, it is going to be a healthy correction, it is going to be good for the market. If you had invested, or if you had made if you are sitting with cash, and I am sure many people will be sitting with huge cash, and they will be worrying that they have not invested in this bull run, don't worry, there are lots of bull run. And there is very famous saying by Warren Buffett, you don't have to do any fundamental analysis, you don't have to do any technical analysis, all you have to do is invest in indices and you are going to make good money, right? So had you invested in indices in 2000, in Nifty 2 ETFs in 2010, you would have made maybe 10x or more than 10x. So that's the case in all indices, whether it is Banknifty or whether it is Sensex or going forward any indices, it is going to be very good money if you are going to invest in indices, right? So we'll see how things pan out. As of now, we strongly believe that the markets are overbought and there should be a correction sooner or later. We don't know when the correction is going to be. This does not mean that the market is not going to go up. We may gap up on Monday. That's $1 million question, or that's a whole different ball game. So we'll have to wait and see what happens going forward. I hope I have summarized everything. Be careful, be cautious. This might be a trap, and this might trap you if you are an investor. And if you are a trader, try to limit selling call options. Try to limit selling put options, because any gap up market may come down, or if it is flat it may come down. There might be a lack of momentum going forward is my stance, right? I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. Until then, take care. Bye.